You know what I hate almost as much as unnecessary trash? Doing laundry. Well, listen up all you shop guys. This week we have a product that'll save you time, money, reduce waste, and minimize your laundry. Check out the 10-pack of Wypall GeneralClean X60 multitask cleaning cloths from Kimberly-Clark. When it comes to shop environments like garages, manufacturing plants, or even our own host shops here at Gregg's, it's common to see either piles of rags or rolls of paper towel that folks can grab from when needing to clean up spills and messes. They may be convenient, but these methods aren't very efficient, with low absorption rates, minimal scrubbing power, and either lead to more waste or laundry. Ideal for cleaning up everything from dirt, oil, or even grease, these high-performance Wypall cloths come in a convenient pop-up box and absorb up to 70% more water compared to other disposable towels, getting it done twice as fast as the standard rag, all thanks to its patented HydroKnit technology. Not only does it do a better job of absorption, this tech also makes the cloth tear-resistant, making them tougher than paper towels, providing extra scrubbing power that'll get the job done right the first time. And since these cloths aren't made with any adhesives or binders, they are super lightweight, leave behind no debris or residue, and retain their strength when either wet or dry. Best of all, these cloths can be used up to 5 times. So in this 10-pack, each box contains 118 cloths, giving you 1,180 total. But considering the reusability, you can get up to 5,900 cloths worth of work. When compared to the amount of rags or paper towels needed to do the same work, the gains in both value and efficiency are huge. So what are you waiting for? Stop wasting time and money and clean up your game with this week's feature product, the Wypall GeneralClean X60 Multitask Cleaning Cloths 10-pack from Kimberly-Clark. Do you have a preferred cleaning method in your shop? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to stay tuned for more fantastic feature products. And have a great Canadian day!